It is cold in Johannesburg today. It is colder than expected, and I did not bring enough jerseys to be living in this apartment for the week. So, but I'm surviving. It's not that bad. Cold. Okay, so today's salad is going to be a spiralized salad. So I found some nice spiralized veg. So we've got beetroot, we've got carrots, we've got something that I'm not sure what it is. I think it could be butternut. I think it could be pumpkin. It could be something completely different. I'm not even sure if it's raw, and if it is raw, if I can eat it or not. So it's probably going to mostly be carrots and beetroot. On top of that, or that is going to go on top of some spinach. I found this very cool carrot juice that is infused with turmeric, and that is going to make the base of the sauce slash salad dressing. So that's going to be a bit of olive oil, a bit of apple cider vinegar for some bite. On top of all of that, we're going to put some pine nuts, some feta cheese, salt, pepper, and a couple of smoked chili flakes. With these sorts of salads, I mean, it's so easy, it's so simple, super healthy, obviously, and yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of get started. I mean, like, and there's going to be an avo on all of that. So basically, just a handful of nice green stuff at the bottom. Let's pop on some of the, what I'm sure is the carrots. That looks good so far. Definitely the main key ingredient is this beetroot. Some nice spiralized beetroot there. And I think this actually just could be other carrots. No, I think it's pumpkin. And I think it would probably be nicer if I did that as like a pasta spiralized. If you haven't spiralized stuff, I wouldn't say go out and get a spiralizer straight away, but it is a fantastic tool to use in the kitchen, and it is a great way to get some good healthy veg that also just tastes like you're having a pasta. Like if you make a pasta sauce and you spiralize some pumpkin and you put that in, or even some zucchini, it is delicious, and your brain thinks that you're doing like an unhealthy pasta. It's quite cool. So this one I'm just going to put in a couple more carrots. I'm going to put in the rest of the beetroot, and that is going to sort of make up that whole salad. I will now do that one tomorrow. On top of this, we're going to put this avo, but let's first do some cheese. Feta first. Now I have mixed just a little bit of olive oil, quite a bit of the juice, teeny tiny bit of the apple cider vinegar into this little jar over here, super hipster, and that is going to be poured over. So it's kind of a little bit more of a sauce than it is just a salad dressing, because there's quite a lot of it. And I think I'm going to add a bit extra actually. We'll see how that turns out. Then pine nuts on top. Some salt, pepper. Some smoked chili flakes. And some avo. So the avo is just going to pretty much go on top of that. Marianne is not home just yet, so I'm not going to break out the avo until she gets here. Avo goes off obviously very quickly. But that is pretty much it. As always, thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. If you are subscribing, if you're not subscribing, please subscribe. Please like it. Please share it. Please comment on it. Please request stuff. Even if it's not salads, I can cook other things other than just salads. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy yourself, make some salad, eat some good food, and yeah, we'll chat tomorrow.